How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today I'm talking about care for the cast iron skillets while we're on a trip. While we're in the camper, pulling the camper and taking our cast iron skillets along with us. I'm going to be showing you a kit that you can pick up. Now I picked this up at Walmart. Not where they sell the pots and pans, but back in the camping section. This is a care kit, a Lodge cast iron care kit for, it's called a seasoning cast iron care kit. So you can pick this up in the camping section, about $20. And this is nice to take in the camper with you because it has a few things in here I'm going to show you to help you clean your skillets, which is really nice. And I'm going to show you some other little things here I do to keep them from banging around so much. So let me show you up close a little bit better on the kit and what it has and what we could do with this stuff. Okay, this is the kit up close. I'll pull everything out of here and show you what's all in there, which is really cool because it has its own seasoning, or the oil for the seasoning. You have a brush over here for cleaning, a handle for your cast iron, and a scraper in the back there, which I'll show you. Alright, this is everything that's in your Lodge kit. You get the spray. This is a 100% canola oil. It's exactly what it is, 100% pure canola oil. You get one handle to put on your Lodge skillet for when you're cooking to keep you from getting burnt. You get a scraper. This is a scraper to scrape the bottom of your pan. Say when you got something stuck in there, this thing will actually do a pretty good job by scraping. You can use it to scrape any egg, or if you got something stuck in there, cooking bacon, a little bit stuck. This is actually pretty good to scrape it out. It's not going to hurt your seasoning. You get a little brush, basically does the same thing. You can use it for light debris that might be stuck in the bottom of your pan. And you also get this is a little booklet on care for your cast iron skillet, which is pretty nice. If you're new to cast iron skillets, this is a cool little product to have. Now, I picked this up in Walmart, this kit here. I did not get it where they sell the pots and pans, the skillets. I got this in the camping section. This is back in the camping section. So I basically got this to put in my camper so I can take it with me to help care for my skillets while I'm out on the road. So this, I think, is a pretty cool little kit to have in the camper when you're traveling. Now when we're out in the camper and we got our cast iron skillets with us, I don't have any place really to hang the cast iron skillets in there to protect them, to keep them from banging together. So what I've done is I've cut a couple pieces of cardboard, just round pieces of cardboard, and I lay them inside of my skillets. And this, as you can see, this is a skillet we redone. This is a skillet we did not redo yet. The inside of it. I wanted to see how long it took for this inside of this skillet to get as smooth as the inside of this skillet. So that's another video down the road. So anyhow, I would take a piece of that cardboard, lay it down in there like so, and I would just take a piece of paper towel, and then I can set this cast iron on top of this one without these two actually touching. And this one here, this little smaller one, usually ain't too bad. We'll put it where it don't bang around too much. And then that's the way we put them inside of our cupboard door, just like so. So we have our cast iron skillets not banging together, cardboard between them. Not too bad, they work out pretty good. So this is basically just a short video on how I'm taking care of my skillets while I'm out traveling. Pick yourself up a set of the kit in there. I got, like I said, now You might be able to pick us up at Dick's or Sporting Goods or somewhere else, but the only place I've seen them is in the camping section at Walmart. So, but this little kit is actually really neat to have with you. So, definitely wanted to show you guys that today. So that's basically how I care for my skillets. I have no place to hang these skillets, so I got to protect the seasoning as the best I can, and that's how I do it. Well, that's just a little look at how I'm going to take care of my skillets while I'm out on the road. I'm not telling you this is the way you do it. This is the way I'm doing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.